8 local banks have committed about 2.5 billion cedis to support the government's One District, One Factory program. The Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry, Mr. Robert Ahomkah-Lindsay, disclosed this at the launch of the district implementation support teams of the One District, One Factory initiative at Ho in the Volta region.
Including Ghana, have become import-dependent with its negative balance of trade consequences and high unemployment rates. The administration of President Akufo-Addo intends to reverse the situation through industrialization. This is to be done under a policy termed One District, One Factory. In that regard, every district in the country will have a factory. The program is expected to serve as a catalyst for the country's socio-economic development. In furtherance of this, the Ministry of Trade and Industry is launching a nationwide district implementation support teams to kickstart the implementation of the One District, One Factory program. The district support teams are expected to facilitate registration and acquisition of land and all the needed infrastructure for the establishment of factories at their various localities. The Volta Regional Minister, Dr. Archibald Yaolecha, said government was committed to fulfilling its promise to create jobs through industrialization.
The launch today is to commence full implementation of the 1D1F initiative in the Volta region. I trust that you will work assiduously to ensure that the Volta region gets what it deserves from this initiative.
According to the Deputy Minister for Trade and Industry, Mr. Robert Ahomkah-Lindsay, the government has received about 700 business plans, out of which 618 have been reviewed. 319 of such plans look workable.
Are we saying as a people of nearly 30 million people, we are incapable of developing our private sector to build 216 factories? Is that what we are saying? We have not sat idly by, but we have been making sure the land is litigation free. We have cleared the land. We have started getting the right people. And today, we are here to help you help us build a foundation for the houses to be built.
A total of 11 factories are expected to be built in the Volta region by the end of this year.